Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a resale certificate in Wyoming. First, understand that a resale certificate allows you to purchase items for resale without paying sales tax at the time of purchase. This is crucial for businesses that buy goods to sell to customers. Next, confirm your business type and activities align with the requirements for obtaining one. Finally, prepare all your business details, such as your federal employer identification number, before you begin the application process. To get started, you'll first need to register your business with the Wyoming Secretary of State if you haven't already. This establishes your legal entity in the state. Following that, you'll apply for a Wyoming sales tax license through the Wyoming Department of Revenue. It's important to note that in Wyoming, the sales tax license itself functions as your resale certificate. There isn't a separate document, so obtaining this license is the key step. When completing the online application for your sales tax license, ensure all information is accurate. You'll need to provide your legal business name, physical address, mailing address, and contact details. Double-check your federal employer identification number, or FAIN, for correctness. Once you've reviewed everything, submit your application electronically. The state will then process your request, and you'll receive notification upon approval, typically within a few business days. Once approved, you can use your Wyoming sales tax license to make tax-exempt purchases for items you intend to resell. Simply present your license to your suppliers at the point of sale. Remember to keep meticulous records of all these transactions, as you'll need them for tax reporting purposes. This ensures compliance and helps avoid any issues during audits. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.